Hey integrators, today let's learn how to apply basic maths formulae in integrately while mapping fields. By basic maths formulae, I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So suppose I have two fields, say quantity and price, and I want this amount field to be a result of multiplying my quantity and price. So let's see how we can achieve this. So I'll click here, we'll say modify data. Okay, by default, my sheets will have the output as text, so I need to change it to numeric. Okay, I'll say insert fields, first field, click multiply, second field, validate and save. Let's test this. Okay, let's go to our sheets. This was my input 4 and 25, and that's my output 100. Now let's say that this is not a unit price, but the price or the total price for 5 units. Okay, suppose this quantity was 5. Okay, and this is the total price. So I need to deduce my per unit cost. So how do we achieve this? So we'll go on amount. I'm trying to get this answer in the amount field, modify data, change the output to numeric. Okay, insert fields. I will say price divided by. If it's always fixed, I can always give a 5. If I'm trying to divide it by 5, always, I could manually write 5, or I could take the field also. It depends on your figures, what you're trying to use for the formula. I'll say validate and save. Let's test and go live. Let's check our sheets. And you can see it's 5. Let's check another scenario where I'm trying to add two fields. Okay, so suppose I'm trying to add these two. Okay, then I will say amount, modify data, change my output to number, insert fields, this, click, plus, click, validate. Let's test. Let's check our sheets. As you can see, it has added 4 and 25. Let's look at another scenario where I'm trying to subtract one field from the other. So suppose I want to subtract 4 from 25. I'll click on here, the field I'm trying to map, modify data, select the output as number, use the field, price, less, quantity, validate and save. Let's test. Okay, let's go back to our sheets, and you can see it's 21. Now this was all about basic maths. Suppose I want to add two operations in one, like multiplication and addition, trying to make a formula of some sorts. So let's see how that works. Now suppose that I am trying to add some kind of tax to the amount that I'm going to receive by multiplying these two, plus some tax, maybe some percentage, or yeah. So what I will do is I'll click here, go on modify data, again change the output to numeric. I'll insert the fields. I'll start with the round bracket, this quantity, okay, into price, bracket close. Suppose I want to add 18% tax to this. So how I will do this is I will multiply this by 1.18, or I could also change this, suppose, and make an addition there. Suppose my requirement was such that I need to add two fields and then multiply to get the total amount including the tax, something like that. I'll validate. We'll say test and go live, and let's check. See, you found it. So I can merge or combine any of the two formulae I want and get this without much of a hassle. Just click on the field you're trying to modify, give the modified data, choose the output as new number or the numeric field, and then just map those fields, and either map all the fields, or you can also manually enter certain numbers like we did in the last operation. So I hope you guys like this video and find it useful. Please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Thank you.